Hi everybody, welcome back for another video. I know in the light of what my last video was, I do have a couple of unboxings that I will be doing before the end of the year. This is one of them. So something that I purchased at the very beginning of the month of November, and then I have one other thing coming as well, and that will be pretty much it for unboxings for me. But this, as you can see, is from Pression. Here is their web page, printpression.com. He was having a sale of some old inventory, and let's just take a look and see what we have in here. And everything in here, each item cost $4.99. So I think there should only be 3 items. So, and look, PP Weeks, Pression Weeks with the bow. Let me get the Rosetta out of the way. Ooh, look at the pretty dark blue crinkles. But here is one of his cards. There you go. Pression Planner. And there's some cute stickers in here. There's a little sampler. Ooh, and look how pretty the November is. Okay, so there's that. Now I got this and this. Okay. Let me get the big box out of the way. It's actually a really nice box. I'm gonna hold on to that and use it for something. So, the first thing that I have here is, you can see a Pression plastic notebook cover. So it has the pocket for the notebook, and it has a little front pocket here. His notebook covers are really nice. I think I like these a little bit better than the ones that came with the Hobonichi. Sorry, the refrigerator decided to pop on. And what we have here is a week's size daily planner. It's a black faux leather hardcover. There are 2 bookmarks, a gray and a black. And then inside, this planner belongs to, you'll see how there's a month, and then monthly tasks, daily habits, tracker, weekly tasks, another month with all that same stuff, a 3rd month with all that same stuff, and then you have a week, review, and a day. And it is undated, and this is 3 months worth of stuff. So it's Hobonichi week size, but undated, and it's not a Tomoe River paper. It should fit inside of this cover on cover. There we go. Look how nice that is. So that is a Hobonichi Weeks size notebook. Now, the other thing that I have right here, this is something I've been toying with getting, not for the reason it was built. So if you look, this is the size of a Nintendo Switch. See, you can fit your Nintendo Switch in there. And then it has these slots for like cables and stuff. Well, I was wondering, I think I can use it as a pencil case. I've been using this, but I've been filling it way too full with way too much stuff. And I need to downsize what I have. It's a really nice pencil pouch, and it's, you know, been serving me well, but I wanted to see how this might work. And just remember, this switch case, and it comes in a variety of sizes. I just chose black because it was the most neutral. And then same thing with this. The plastic cover was $4.99, and the notebook itself was $4.99. And it's a really nice soft paper, or smooth paper. Like it would take brush pens well. Very cool. I'm liking that. But let's see. So I have way too many pens in here that I don't need. I need this. I need one of these. I need my fountain pen. I need my pencil. I need my eraser. I need some lead. And then of course I need my rulers. Actually, I probably just really need only one ruler. Let's see. One thing I could do is I could get this. Oh, they don't go through. I see. So I guess that's to hold like, what are they called? Like little SD cards or something like that. I was thinking I could hold that through there. We'll see. I might be able to remove some of those. But we're gonna slide these pens. It might work. I think this might be a little too thick for it on that side. Well, we'll see. But I used to have a pencil pouch. Do I want that in there? Or that? We'll choose a more industrial looking one. And then I've been using the fawn. One thing that is kind of nice is the, let's put it in this way. It looks like Zig and Tombos would fit in here. Something to think about, because then I could also keep just putting on this side some of my planner stickers, a business card, a couple washi, and then a couple alcohol swabs. Hey, that actually doesn't look that bad. And all of this stuff I can put in here, and it could be my like at-home pouch. Like, I never use these paper clips. You know, there's times you buy things because you think, oh, I'm gonna use them. And then you buy this box that has like 150 of them, and then you use like 3 of them. And then you have a box full of like at least 50. actually looks really nice. And it says, you can feel it embossed. It says print Pression. And it's a faux leather. It actually looks like you could fit your Hobonichi Weeks inside of the Switch case. So that is all I got. A oh, there's two. November and December. Huh. And notice there's no year. So if you don't use them this year, you can use them next year. So there you go. That's my quick little order from Print Pression. It was this Switch case, which I'm using as a pencil case, the weekly notebook, and the week cover with some freebie stickers, and that all came to very reasonably $5, $10, $15 plus $6 for shipping, $20 total. Not a bad deal for sure. And it came priority, so it took all of 3 days to get here, which I was really surprised. So there you go, just a quick little unboxing. If you have any questions, leave a link down below. These things are still on sale. I will leave a link to Kane's shop. So if there's anything that you're looking for, he might have there at a holiday sale price. And I think these are discontinued. They're an old item from last year that he created. So there you are. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.